You're coming from the tech side, you're doing 3D printing, and you're starting to look in construction. So maybe if I can ask you first, how much knowledge do you have of construction? So this relates to Aref's point about bringing in companies like yourself. And then secondly, how do you see 3D printing developing? So if we start on the first point, what do you know about construction at the moment, and,
Sure.
and how much are you doing?
I think what Aref said is, I'd like to thank you for saying it. It's the first time I've ever heard someone in this region actually discuss technology and taking technology on board in that way, that there does need to be an entity, because we are not a construction company, we're a 3D printing company. We're a 3D printing design and 3D printing manufacturing company. That's what we're very good at. We are not a construction company.
Your background is from Formula One and from product design?
Yeah, so from automotive and product design is what our strengths are. So we understand engineering very well. We understand how to make parts or make designs much more efficient using 3D printing, and that can lend itself to construction, lend itself to construction companies. But there does need to be a driving force to then take that to market. And traditionally, I think obviously in the region, in all industries, there's a huge demand put on government to do that. It's, more often than not, it's left down to, it's going to be a government initiative and they're going to have to push it. But the reality is, private players are going to have to come on board and do that. And it's amazing that that CCC are giving that platform to companies to. And for me, the most important thing is, there is a huge interest in startups in the region. Pre-revenue, pre-technology startups, and that's great. But getting startups where we've been around, 4 years now, and we are post-revenue, and we're not a traditional sense startup. To get that, to push those startups to the field, that's where innovation actually comes from.